Good morning, everyone. So this video just to do, though most of you know all this, so just to do a little video on the calculator trick we have done. So the first thing I want to do is for complex number, especially when they give you complex number equation. You don't need to worry. Once they give you an equation, all you just need to do, or a complex number, or even if it is complex, just go to mode, change it to complex. If they give you AP and GP, that one I've done it many times, go to start. Let me even start with AP and GP. So go to start, you click on 3 is for start. 2, all the list of values here, all these x values, they are the what, the terms. For example, if they say that find the what term with, or what is the number of term in 2, 4, 6, then dot 16. Let's do that. 2, 4, 6, then dot 16. What is the number of term? So 2, 4, then dot 16. Now you say we have 2, 4, let's say 2, 4, 6, then dot 16. So we have 3 terms that we know. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3. This x means the what? This x is the what? Is the term, is the position of the term. The y is the value. So what is the value of the first one? Is 2. So you press equals to 4 and 6. So after doing this, you press AC. The job of the AC is to save. So in the question I said, what is the number of term in that sequence? Since they gave us 2, 4, 6, then dot 16, you click on shift and what? 1, then click on reg. Since they say what is the number, that means we are looking for the position. So you use this 4 to get it. Then since what is the value? 16, you put 16 in front, then press equals to 8. That means the number of term there is what? 8, or the position of 16, that sequence is what? 8. If you are told to look for the common difference now, you know what is the formula for common difference? Common difference is what? Is the second term minus what? The first term. So you just say 2. It's not like 2 like this, sorry. The second term value minus the first term value. So you come here, second term value minus the first term value. So you come here, press shift and 1, then 5, the second term value. So you put 2 here, then minus 1, shift and 1, then 5, then 5. So you see that is 2. That is the second term value. So the what is to confuse students is the sum. If they say find the sum of the first 10 term, the first thing you need to do is press shift and what? Summation. Then click on alpha and what? X. Then click on shift and start. This is syntax for it. Then press what? Question mark. Oh, sorry, why do I like saying question mark? Press on comma. Since they say summation of the first 10, click on 1, press on shift and comma again. Summation of the first 10 terms. So this is how to do for summation. This is how to do for summation. You press equals to. So the summation of the first 10 terms is 110. And if you want to do for addition, it was GP, you repeat the same process. But you know that for common ratio, you say T2 over T1. So it becomes 2, then T2 divided by 1. That's this for the word common ratio. So that is it for AP and GP. So the next thing is complex number equation. So this is 2. So you use this semicolon that I've taught you. For example, if they see, let's try to solve this. 2x plus I x plus I square, and I don't have a pen with me. X plus I square. So the first thing Let's say we want to solve this. Let me show you this here. We have 2 plus I all square. What will it give me? To give me 4 plus 4i minus 1. That is 3 plus 4i. So they now give us something like this. X plus I all square will give me 3 plus 4i. Let's imagine. You know that now we know our answer is 2, but let's say we don't know. A is 3, B is 2, and C is 4, and D is 1. This is what I say, you can never find a calculator. So what you just need to do, you don't need to worry. No matter how this question comes, do this that I'm trying to tell you. So you click on shift and alpha and x. At times they might put P, don't worry, just put alpha and x here. Then plus I. Try to make, okay, it's in complex mode. Alpha and x, then plus what? I. Then close bracket. All square. Then put this colon that I usually mention. So that column is just like equals to. You don't need to worry. That column just means equals to. Just put it. Then you put 3 plus 4. Shift and this one. 3 plus 4i. So you now press calc. So they put x question mark. You know here they will tell you that you should find x. So when you put x as 3, I got 8 plus 6i. Is it the same as 3 plus 4? I know. So you keep on pressing equals to till you get to x question mark. So have we got to x question mark? No. So this is where we have x question mark. So you click 2. When you click 2, it's 3 plus 4. I go ball. They are the same. So that is the answer. Do you get as simple as that? So the next thing is how, and it works for all things. It works for all things. Sometimes they can say x plus I all square is equals to y plus 4i. Don't worry, don't say I've not taught you. No, this case is 2 and y is 3. So you come here, you put x, you try to insert it on your calculator. X plus shift and I close bracket all square alpha and this, then y plus 4i. I think I've taught you. I said all those things are just letters. If they give you P, you can use X and Y for P. So you press on calc. So they will give you X question mark. Let's try 2. Then they'll now give you Y question mark. You will now put 3. You see that I've got 3 plus 4i directly. And yet it's simply as 3 plus 5 because Y is 3. As simple as that. So you see that there's nothing special that I did here, but all I did was that I knew this column to be what? This equals to here to be column. Then I built on it. So that is it. It's not difficult. So another thing they can tell you should prove. Maybe sine. Which proof do I know, seven? Maybe show that what is called square theta minus sine square theta. Don't worry, they are not hard. A cos 2 theta, B sine 2 theta. No, the answer is cos 2 theta, but let me just say C tan 2 theta. Like I said, when you see an expression like this, no matter what it is, when you see an expression, even partial fraction too is an expression. Substitute a convenient value for it. When you see an expression, substitute a convenient value for it. So I am seeing theta here. Let me just say theta is what? 30. Theta is 30. I'll come here. I'll put cos 30 all square then minus sine 30 all square. So now Oh, instead of putting cos 30, sorry, I made a mistake. Just put cos x instead of cancelling it. You put cos x because they will ask you for x question mark. Alpha and x. So after you have done it, click on alpha and what this. So this colon that you see, it means square, it means equals to. Yeah, this is all the option here. It means the whole of this could be equal to cos 2 theta, it could be equal to sin 2 theta, it could be equal to tan 2 theta. So you press equal to, then you put cos 2 theta, that is cos 2x, then you see we are testing all the option equals to, could be equal to sin 2x, or it could be equal to tan 2x. So you now press calc. The job of this calc is to solve. So it's asking what do I want to use x as. I'm saying 30. So you put 30. So once I put 30, you see that I'm getting 1 over 4 here. Which one will give me 1 over 4? Cos 2x gave me 1 over 2. So none of it gave me what? 1 over 4. So that the answer is not there. But I feel the answer is cos 2x. So that is how to do it. So once you see question like this, just substitute any convenient value, you will get it. Like now we have sin 2 theta now. It's the same thing as 2 sin theta cos theta. If I put theta as 30, this one will give me sin 60. That is root 3 over 2. This one will give me 2 sin 30. That is 2 times 1 over 2. Then times cos 30 is what? I think cos 30 is root 3 over 2. So 2 we cancel out, so I left you. You see that they are the same. That's sin 2 theta and 2 sin theta cos theta are the same. So that is how to go about it. So please just try to go through this video, just like a summary of what we have done. And we are told to do matrix, you just come to the matrix mode. If they say multiply to matrix, just put 3 by 3 or whatever the matrix is and do it. And if they tell you to find the inverse, just click on that mat A, maybe you come to shift and 4, then 3, then come to this raised by minus 1 here. So this is the inverse. Sometimes they can tell you to find the adjoint. Don't worry, you know that A inverse is what? Adjoint over what? Determinant. So if they tell you to find the adjoint, just find the determinant and multiply that by the what? By the inverse, you get the adjoint. So please and please just try to make sure that you go through this final video before your class. Thank you guys, and I love you.